Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about bots. I run a bot overnight, which I don't tell anybody to do, but I did it last night to prove a point. And I run it on two contracts, and it made a little over $500 last night on two contracts, which is pretty good. That's about 25%. Then I accidentally disabled the bot. I re-enabled it, and then I let the bot run, and we ended up making $460 on this one. We had a couple, say one losing trade here, then we had two winners, and that brought my target up. Now, what I did was on this one, I ended up moving my target down. $300 would have been right here. And I went ahead and moved my target down. And then once it got below that, I put my stop in and it took it. This one up here, I moved my target up to the level. We don't trade at the level, we trade before the level. So I ended up putting my target right there, and when I hit it, it was 460. That brought me to 965 for the day. My goal is 50% target. That's only $35 away from making the 50%. That's close enough for me. I shut it off, I paused it, and I'm done with that. So let me show you another one that I did. And just to let you know, this one is a Apex account, and the target for this one is $500 a day. And we let it run. It took one trade, and actually, let's see if we add the so you can see the trade. I actually added some contracts to this one, so it entered a trade here, and then I added four more contracts down here, so I had six contracts total. It went up. Once I got close to the $500 target, I went ahead and put my stop in, closed it out, and I took the profit. So $500 was my goal. If I had let it run on its own, this would have actually made target, and then it would have entered another trade here for target. So it would have hit my target on these two trades here, not to mention others above. So the accounts actually hit target even without intervention, but I did add contracts here manually. It was a good strong trend going up, so I went ahead and added it when it pulled back, and I took my profit there. So I'm okay with that. I hit my $500 goal, $490. That's close enough. 450 to 500 is where I want to be. You have to do that to pass your accounts. So if I had not have done that, I could have run the two contracts here, hit my goal, and in these two trades here. I could have kept on running with it, but once you hit your goal, you quit. You don't keep on trading. Now, the one thing I will say, these are not PA accounts. These are evaluation accounts. So I think I started them Friday. I just made a small trade to make a day trade. So today's really the first day of trading it, and I'm going to trade these every day. So this one is a live account. As you can see over here, this is my live account. So I run this one overnight, like I said, and then I hit those two trades. If I had left it on, I would have had a one, two, three, uh, four, five, six more winners after this. But here's the thing. Actually, seven winners, counting this one. Here's the thing. You hit your goal and you shut it off. $1,000 a day is my goal to run on bots. That's all I want to make on my bots. That's plenty of money. That's running two contracts. That's a 50% rule. So if I'm running $2,000 trade, I want to make $1,000. $35 is close enough. Goals, guys. I can't express this enough. You don't want to overtrade. You don't, just because you made $1,000 don't mean that you're going to make $10,000 if you let it run. Hit your goals, go enjoy life. Right now, I'm getting ready to go meet another user that's in the Ninja Suite. He lives close to me. We're going to go out and play some golf today. We're just going to go out and run around. We're going to live life. It's 8:30 in the morning. I was done about 7:30 or so this morning. Let's see, what was it? 7. Right here is 7, and then this other one, let's see what time it was. Um, this one here was 7:46. So 7:46, and we're done. So by 8 in the morning, I'm already done. We're headed out. We're going to go play some golf and enjoy life. And that's what you should do. You should just go out and enjoy some life. So how do you do that? You come back into the Ninja Suite or the SpyMoneyLSE.com, go to the Ninja Suite. When you go in here, then you're going to have two different ones you can do. You really want to do the bots with the indicators. The bot is the choice. That's what you want to run. Probably 90% of our users use the bots. Then we have the indicators. If you just want to lease them only, you can do that as well. The choice is yours. This one's 900, this one's 1300. The bots are definitely the way to go. You come down here, you'll see that the bots that we have, we have a bunch of indicators, trade copiers, toolbars. We got a lot more drawing tools than this. Frequently asked questions. If you go through this and read them, more than likely your questions will be answered. If not, then I want you to go up to the top, click on Contact Us. When you click on Contact Us, you put in your name and information here. If you need to talk to me, make sure you have a phone number in here and let me know Eastern time what's the best time to talk to you, and then we can go from there. If you just have questions, type them in here, click Submit. I am the one that answers these. It's not a bot. It's not someone else in an office or something. It's me personally answering all of these emails. If you have the questions and submit this, then I usually respond, usually within a few minutes, depending on what's going on. But usually within a couple hours, I've already answered them and taken care of them. We have support tickets for people that are users, and the support tickets, I answer those before I answer anything. If you come back into VPS, if you want to have a computer that is in next to the Chicago Exchange, we have a system that's located in Chicago, a server. And this will allow you to have faster access for executions and so forth. And if your system is not up to par and you need something maybe a little bigger, don't have the funds to buy that one, this is another option for you. It works really well. It's cheap too, $85 a month. If you don't have the money to fund an account, which a NinjaTrader Live account is better than any funded account, I'll say that. But we have 4 choices here. Click on these. There's discount codes for them and stuff in here. Once you click on them, get you some discounts and pick the one you want. They all have their ups and downs, pros and cons to each one of them. And a lot of people ask me which one did I like better and so forth. And BluSky does go to a live NinjaTrader account once you get past and through another evaluation of the 3,000. They put you in a live account. I like that better. The others do not do that, but they're all really good. They all pay. There's no issue about your money. They all do pay. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Again, the Ninja Suite right here is the one for the bots. It's $1,300. If we click on that now, this is how much it is to sign up. You click sign up now, read the terms and conditions, and then get started. If you do get started on it, we can actually get signed in here. And when you get signed in, this will bring you into the Ninja Suite. You'll want to do your machine ID first, and it gives you step-by-step and a video showing you how to do it. It's real simple. And then the Ninja Suite, you have all of this right here that is under the Ninja Suite. So you want to watch this video, and this goes over everything to let you know how everything works. Then the newbie setup and instructions, you click on this, and it's got different little videos and information to show you how to get started and what we're doing. It doesn't show it on mine, but down here, once you do, it'll have a Discord username down here. And when you click on that, it will open up and you put in your Discord username, click submit, and it will send you an email with a link to join our Discord. Once you get in there, then that's when you're going to start learning a lot more. We have tutorials for the bots, tutorials for the indicators, drawing tools, trade copier. We have live stream videos of the past trainings and so forth, our perimeter settings. And this one right here helps you save money on your taxes and stuff. So it's something that I include in there to help you understand how to set up your company. And it's actually probably it's worth the money just to get this right here. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, this is where we are. Big old runs through here. The bot would have entered all of these trades right here, and they would have been successful with no losers in here. So I could have made a lot more money to let the bot run, but again, we hit our goal. You hit your goal, you quit, you shut down, go live life. Have any questions, let me know. You guys have a great day and enjoy yourself.